फरायसाफोर न'आव गोसो होनानै फरायबाय था समखौ ओरैनो दाहगार समा जोबोद बेसेन गोसा समा रावखौबो नेनानै थाया ओंखायनो बयबो गोसो होनानै फराय Let's read a skit. A fun game. Tap crack chair. Duration 10 to 15 minutes. Setting Naharguri village, celebrating a fun game. Characters Narrator Rupa, a young, curious and fun-loving girl. Onumahi, Rupa's maternal aunt. Announcer Two players. Scene 1 at Onumahi's house. Narrator It's a bright morning in Naharguri village. All the villagers are getting ready for the village fair. Onu Mahi is dressed in a traditional mekhela chador, while Rupa wears a simple frock. They are getting ready to go to the fairground. They can already hear the village people talking and laughing cheerfully. Rupa, Mahi, I'm so excited. I want to see everything at the fair. Onu Mahi, we will, but we have to hurry, dear. We don't want to miss all the good things there. Scene 2 at the fair. Narrator The fairground has already become crowded. The food stalls have become busy. Friendly chatters fill the place. Rupa and Onu Mahi arrive and hear loud cheering from the gathering. They walk closer to see what is happening. Rupa, why are they clapping and cheering? Everyone is so excited. Onu Mahi, come, let's find out. It seems a game is about to begin. Narrator Two players stand in the middle of a crowd holding eggs. The announcer gets busy with a microphone. Announcer Welcome to Naharguri's Cornizus. Today's games include both chicken, egg and duck egg matches. Onu Mahi, a Cornizus is about to begin. Rupa, curious. Mahi, is that a game? Onu Mahi, yes. Egg fighting is a traditional fun game, usually played during Bihu. Two persons tap eggs. The one whose egg doesn't crack wins. Announcer, let the players come forward and set their terms. Rupa, Mahi, what does setting terms mean? Onomahi. The players decide which end of the egg to tap, how many turns, and what rules to follow. Scene 3. Watching the game. Narrator. The players begin. After a few tappings, one egg cracks. The crowd cheers. Rupa. Oh no, that egg cracked. Onomahi. That means the other player wins and gets the cracked egg as a prize. Rupa. Can I also take part one day? Onomahi. Of course. All you need is a strong egg and a brave heart. Rupa. Did you ever take part in such a game? Onomahi. Yes, I did. And I won a match years ago. It was a match with duck egg. Rupa. Wow, I'll play. Maybe next year. Onomahi. That's the spirit. But always remember, whether you are a player or an onlooker, what matters is to keep our culture and traditions alive. Rupa. I will, Mahi. I'll share this with my friends too. Rupa and her aunt walk away smiling. In the distance, the crowd claps again as a new match begins.